think our best or our. Oh, hey! All right, welcome to Dumb Investing. I'm Lloyd.
I'm Harry.
Oh shit! All right, we're gonna do something a little bit new. We've listened to some of the viewers. We've received some feedback. We are going to do a daily show investing every single day. We're gonna get through the portfolio. We're gonna talk about trades, stuff like that, and then we're done. Then we're going to start streaming again. We're going to go into the real estate stuff where we babble a little bit more and talk more about the other stuff, not the investing. So, dumbest channel, investing channel, all of YouTube's. That's who we are. Daily
now,
show.
To be clear, it is still all investment related.
Absolutely. It's all investing. But the daily show was where we, if you look at the shows previous, we would roll random dice, pick random stocks. We would do some homework, deep dive as quickly as we could in 5 minutes, and go out and buy a stock the next day. Our portfolio is in the links down below. You can see every trade we've ever done. We are full transparent, and we're going to try to beat the street using random luck. So that's basically what we're going to do. The show got put on hold because we spent all our money. The market crashed on us, and it was real hard to start selling because we were looking for like 10 to 12% yields before we would sell. And we thought we would grow the channel that way. So it's totally exciting because the investment side or the daily show has some activity. So let's jump into that portfolio. We'll talk about the activity and kind of what's going on in the portfolio. Oh, look at the greens. So the market was a nice day overall today. So I was hoping we would see some greens.
Yeah, we do. It's looking pretty good. So for our losers, we got CSW Industrials and Centrus Energy. They were down slightly today, and then big rebound for our friends over at BurgerFi at 10.3%.
Wow, that's good for one day. I'm telling you, dude, that stock is a day trader's dream come true.
Yeah, Socket Mobile was the other one, so shocking.
Yeah, total. So tomorrow, they'll both be down 10%. That's just how they go. So tomorrow's a buy day, Wednesday will be a sell day.
Maybe
I'm telling you, we should start just a day traders anonymous just on those two. Those are nuts. All right.
So our account total so far this week, we are up $66.58. So we're up 2.38% today. So pretty good day. We are still down overall on about 5.8%, but we are slowly starting to chip away at those losses, and we're going to turn them into gains real soon.
Absolutely. So in the last couple of days since you guys have heard from us, I can't remember if it was Thursday or Friday, we ended up selling Key Corp. We had kind of talked amongst ourselves, and we had decided 12% yields is what we're going to kind of look for on our winners. So we sold Key. We got out 12% on that guy. And this afternoon, we sold MGM. Got another 12% on MGM. MGM, there's more rumors. I don't know if they're rumors anymore or if it's real people talking. But Amazon's looking at MGM really, real high. They popped, I think it was 5 or 6% today. So we thought this was probably a good time to get out. So we've got a little bit of money in that account. It's not as much as we'd like to have. We had talked earlier, we wanted to stop buying little tiny chunks like we have been, about $100 worth. We want to start buying bigger chunks of things. So maybe we will do the daily show purchasing and buying maybe once a week. So we'll see how that goes. I think we've got $230 in our account right now.
$330. $330.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm thinking this week we're gonna pick one of these days when it's a slow news day. We're gonna roll some dice and buy some stock this week. So I don't know what day. We'll figure that out. Probably Wednesday is when we'll roll some dice or something like that.
Yeah, that sounds good.
So with that kind of ends the investing show. I don't have any other news on our stuff. You were saying something about BurgerFi won an award or something. Maybe that's why they popped today.
Yeah. And they also came out with their financials. So they won the top. Let me just see here. It was BurgerFi won the Fast Casual Top 100 Movers and Shakers Award.
Movers and Shakers.
They were the number one brand of the year.
Well, that's good. Hopefully
Yeah.
they get some airplay with that, and people start seeing who they are, and maybe BurgerFi turns into one of the big wins for us. I know they've completely revamped their C-suite, so give those guys 6 months to kind of figure out, get some strategy going. Maybe next year BurgerFi really runs. We'll see what happens on that.
Yeah, they also came out with their financials, and they were a little bit better than I think everyone expected. So that was good.
But in today's market, I mean, you got a home run for somebody to say, "Oh, that's all right."
Yeah,
Merely beating is a.
you're right.
Who are you guys,
You're
right?
I don't think there were any projections just because BurgerFi is so small, but
right.
I think relative compared to what's happening and with the economy starting to open back up, I think there's a little bit more optimism for BurgerFi.
Awesome.
Yeah. And with MGM, I heard as early as tomorrow, there could be an announcement with Amazon purchasing MGM.
Right on.
So pretty crazy.
Hopefully we got out. There's a lot of, as the news is coming out, stocks tend to run, and when it's released, they tend to dive. So hopefully we beat that. And so it was a pretty good peak. It wasn't the highest it's been in the last 6 months, but it was within pennies. So we're feeling pretty good about getting out of that one. So that was really good for us. Hopefully we can see some guys like Lazy Boy get some earnings out here soon, start running and stuff like that. So we're excited there. Other news in financial markets, the 10-year is still at 1.60, which is a good sign that inflation is kind of, maybe people aren't worried about it as much as they used to. There's some belief on Wall Street right now that maybe too much inflation has been priced in the market. Maybe it's time that things are starting to look like a better deal. Maybe people are starting to loosen up. Today, it was strange, though. Today was the lowest volume day of the year.
Huh.
So, yeah.
Interesting. Low volume day and everything was green. Not everything was green, but a good chunk of the market was green.
Right.
Interesting.
So, yeah. So that's what's going on investing side. With that, I don't have anything else to add for the Daily Show investing.
We will wrap up the Daily Show, and then we'll start another broadcast in regards to investment real estate.
So Daily Show is all about trading. All I can say is don't trade like that guy.
Don't trade like that guy.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you at real estate side here in 5 minutes.
Bye-bye.